Hello, Christ Memorial family. I'm Pastor Suzanne Hart, your interim pastor of transition and discipleship. And I want to personally invite you this Sunday, November 3, noon to 3:45, to our meal and mission planning workshop. I want you to know that this is a very important event in the life of our church, and that after a delicious lunch, we'll learn why it's imperative for us to think about our shared mission right now. This workshop will be interactive and hands-on, with multiple opportunities for you to give feedback and to listen to others. Overall, it will be an exciting chance for us to be the church and to listen to where God is calling us together at this time. I believe we're at an important pivot moment in the life of Christ Memorial Church. I hope you'll be there at this event to be a part of it, because we need all of us together. And I also think that you'll leave with a feeling of hope for the future. So come out this Sunday, November 3, from noon to 3:45. Don't worry, we'll get you home for the Lions game. Thanks so much for taking the time to view this little video, and may the Lord be with you throughout the rest of this week.